Hello drafters, this video I'm going to show you how to refill a Bambu Lab spool. You'll need a few items, either a blade or a pair of scissors, the Bambu Lab empty spool, and of course a refill spool of Bambu Lab filament. First thing you want to do is open the packaging for the filament, and the filament itself will be in a vacuum sealed bag. You can either just cut this bag open or find the tear away point and then pull away to open the bag, and then remove the filament. You should find a little sticker inside as well. This is usually to label what filament you have, and you can place this sticker on the spool itself. On the filament spool's cardboard ring, you'll see on one side a small alignment tab. Now take the empty spool roll and give it a good twist and it should come apart. And on one side you'll see the alignment tab, which you align with the cardboard ring of the filament spool. So simply put these two sides together. I like to gently rotate until I can feel it align and then give it a good push down. Then take the other side of the filament spool and then push down with a bit of force and rotate to lock in. You should hear a click and it should feel nice and solid. The next thing is to remove the plastic bands that hold the filament in place. So starting on one, just pull on the tab and it should pull apart, and then pull it to remove it from the spool. There should be 4 of these, so just rotate the spool around and pull each one off. I like to leave the plastic band that is closest to the end of the spool for the final one, so that I can hold it down with my finger and then remove the plastic band, therefore preventing the spool from unwinding. You can then take the end of the filament and you can push the filament through these holes, and this will hold the end of the filament in place and prevent it from unwinding. You have now refilled a Bambu Lab spool. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.